can see in this particular question we have various production rules which are given with 5 or 6 non-terminals, then there are 2 terminals, and production rule as well as starting symbol. Now in this entire question, what we have to do is we have to construct a reduced grammar. First step always remains same. First step is we have to find out those rules which are generating terminals only. So we have to find those rules. Find non-terminal that generate only terminals. So only terminals, guys. Okay, C is generating ABB, which are only terminals. Rest, no rule is generating. So C is generating ABB. So it means there is only one rule, or there is only one non-terminal which is generating only terminals. So second step again remains the same. Find non-terminals. Find non-terminals generating only C. Only C means I have to find out those rules which are generating only capital C. It can involve terminals also, but no non-terminal apart from C. Okay, A is generating small b, capital C, only C is involved. E is generating small a, capital C, only capital C is involved. There is no other rule which is generating that. It means your A is generating B, capital C, which is correct. E is generating small a, capital C, which is also correct because only non-terminal C is getting involved. It means our set would become A, E and C. Now it means I have to find out those non-terminals that are generating either A or E or C or any of their combination. No other combination apart from them. A, E, C. So I have to find out non-terminals that are generating A, E and C. And you can see in this particular rule, you have S is generating small a, capital A, small a. So capital A is getting generated. A is getting generated over here, but with D. Over here there is no other rule, so which is generating A, E. So A is generated by S. I can clearly write A is generated by S. This is one rule which is we are adding. A is generating B, capital C. Your C is generating ABB and E is generating A, capital C. Now it means our set has become S, A, C and E. So it means we have to find out those rules. Again, fourth step is find non-terminals generating S, A, E and C. Apart from these rules, we are going to take these rules, but apart from that we have to find out rules that are generating S, A, E and C. We have to find whether S is getting generated or not. You can see in this particular rule A is generating S also. So I can clearly write that thing. S is generating A is generating B, C. It is also generating S and B. We will definitely write that rule. Your C is generating ABB and E is generating E and C. So guys, again, what kind of non-terminals we have got? We have again got S, A, E, C. So it means we have to find out non-terminals which are generating S, A, E, C. We have already found out all part. So it means even fifth step, find non-terminals generating S, A, E and C. So there is no other non-terminal. So these rules will be carry forwarded over here. We have got this particular concept. So we have got S getting generated from A. We have basically S is generating A also, but it is also getting generated by A as well as we have got C is generating ABB, E is generating AC. So all the useless rules are removed. So useless rules are this rule is useless, this rule is useless, DD is useless, ADA. These are all useless rules which are removed. So we will be carry forwarding from these rules only. So the rules are: S is generating AAA, A is generating SB slash B capital C, C is generating ABB, E is generating AC. Now find unreachable rules. So guys, what are unreachable rules? So unreachable rules you can start from by creating a parse tree. S is generating AAA. So guys, A has two answers, BCC. You can take BC as well as C. But this A can also generating SB, which S will by default generate AAA. So it means this rule is very important, but I am not writing it as if now. C is generating ABB. This C is generating ABB. This is one kind of string. You can also get this also. S is generating AAA. A is generating SB. S will eventually generate AAA only. A can be given as BCC and C is given as ABB. C is given as ABB. Though there is no reference of E. So if we put A value as SB, again there is no reference of E actually. And if I write A value as B capital C, you can see there is no reference of E. So there is only one rule which is unreachable. This rule is unreachable. Don't take this. So eventually your answer is this answer. These are the rules which are very important rules, and this is my final answer. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Kindly make sure that our channel reaches maximum audience. Thank you very much.